You guys, welcome back to another video. And
no, that's not the alien. That's the wrong alien. We have to go to the alien talking to the space guy. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Help me! I can't breathe. No! Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I own your death. Meow, meow. Our C car here. Meow, meow.
guys, let's go to windup.
Okay, gonna change our outfit too.
They're gonna go swim in the ocean. Oh. Can't leave. They got us a new ocean sea up in the sky. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there. What I put on?
Hey, chicken.
No, matter of fact, I'm gonna go and play the game Gods of Gravity. I'm bored.
Wait. How do you get the green thing? How do you get the green hat? I need the color. How'd you get the green thing? Just tell me real quick and I'll give you this. Please. I was wondering how to get the Gods of Gravity. I own the game and I played it for like years. Oh, I thought you said you owned the game. Help me, bro! This kid's trying to grease me.
I'm coming for the rescue! I'm firefighter!
Hey, you're I gotta get this griefer. I hit it.
Close me!
Okay.
Close me! I'm down here. I'm at the sea.
I'm right on you, bro. Roast me.
Here. Don't worry.
Stop trying to. I'm not roasting you.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
I'm right on you.
That's sorry. I'm very much sorry. I'm very much sorry.
This kid is trying to grease me just because of him. And then, yes, thank you, Night Hat.
I'm sorry.
Please don't leave me.
I'm trying to get your attention. That's all.
Hey, I can roast you. I can roast you.
But you're gonna grieve me. There's no point.
What about me? Above you. I'm on top.
Can you guys like go? My gosh. Just standing there trying to kill people like a freaking coward. No, you fatty. Check out our new map.
Yo.
Cold.
Calm it down.
Yeah, like, no, you're not gonna keep on doing that.
Oh, Bubba.
Hey, wait, they have a new map?
Go.
Yeah, I think they do.
Stop!
Hey, guys.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. No, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Go.
No, what's it called? Wait, what's it called?
What's it called?
What were you now?
Quit hitting me.
Yeah, you better stay there, boy. Fine. Oh, now. Now, please.
Acrobat.
Here, I'm getting Ninja Hat. Ninja Hat, you deserve it.
Yeah. Yes. Wrap them up.
Yeah. We can do this.
No.
You fat.
Oh, no, we almost had it.
You so
No.
fat.
I need some more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah, how many griefers are
Quit
there?
hitting me,
Please don't
fatty.
grief me.
Hey,
Please don't grief me.
we can.
I should have seen that coming.
Yeah.
I should have seen that Dude, last lobby, a kid hit me. Oh, I'm tracking. Whoa, don't hit me, don't hit me. Don't hit me. No.
Hey, I'm gonna try to make it to the. I'm gonna try
Run
to
into
make it
that.
where I was.
Please stop, bro. I just got in this lobby. Okay, will you stop?
Oh, my bad, my bad.
What's your
So, I just hit
Oh.
someone over there.
He's trying to grief me.
I got it.
I'm not trying to
Who's
grief.
griefing?
I forgot who's the griefer. Who is he?
It was that one. I don't know. It was one of those.
Don't. Oh, okay. You're trying to. Wait, actually, here. Yep.
Oh, wrong person.
Yes, thank you. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah. No, wrong person again.
Why would you do?
Yeah.
Why are you hitting them? Stop hitting
Wait,
them.
who are you rosing?
His
He
name-
said, "Hey, watch it, watch
I
it."
don't
He has
know.
a rose in his
That
hand.
guy, the guy,
He's
He
gonna,
had
he's
a
gonna
rose in
hit
his hand.
people
He was
off.
trying
He's
to
gonna hit people off. Yes,
that
you
guy
are.
was-
You hit me off last time.
both of those guys.
Hey, night helmet.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Let's try.
No, night helmet. Night helmet.
Wait, what,
He
wait,
was
what did he
hacking.
do?
Yo, 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 yo.
Don't
Night
hit.
helmet. Night helmet.
Yeah.
The only reason why I was knocking you off
Why'd you hit him?
you kept on hitting.
He hit him.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did. I'm just
Someone hit
kidding.
me up there.
Promise you that wasn't me.
What? Why did you do
I
that?
didn't do anything.
Okay, someone.
That's exactly
You.
what you
Why'd you write that, bro? He said you did.
No, it wasn't me.
Bro. Here, wait. Someone come here. Someone come here. Hit me up there. Hit me up there.
Do you have a...
Yeah.
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
What is in my head? Okay.
They're taking. What took you so long to just get a single jump?
Well, Santa.
Huh?
Yeah, can you roll those? Whoa.
Taking so
No.
slow.
Come here, lab rat. No.
How about
Why are both of us falling?
Wait,
Bro, stop hitting people. That monster.
Try again.
Try again.
Try.
Move. Thank you.
Alright, ready?
Alright. Could you not knock me off?
One.
No. Rose face, Santa.
Stop. Probably you keep hitting me off. I didn't do anything.
Where's me?
I don't know.
Oh, holy.
What did I do?
I've roasting him like a
Okay.
million times.
Until I heard that voice.
Alright, one at a
I'm
time. The
sorry.
stars are really thin.
Didn't do anything.
You know what you did to me.
Can you move, please?
It's so scary. Wait,
Yeah.
where am I going? Yo.
Shoot.
Bye, bye.
What you reaching for?
I did not mean to
Dude,
do that.
who was
Do I
that?
go into that
Who
teleport?
just
I
raised
told you to
fireman?
look behind
Okay,
you.
just
I
wait a
didn't
minute.
rose you.
Fireman, do I go into that teleporter?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Here.
Go to the seagull and I rose you.
Guys, help me.
Boa!
Third
What did he do?
No,
Why
he
did he do
did
that?
knock her off for us. He did reset.
Yeah, he did hit me up last time.
No, he has to go under us for it to work.
No?
No, because then I'll go into the spot. I saw someone go into the
Okay,
spot.
I'm gonna hit someone up there. Okay?
No.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
did not,
I
did
did
not,
it.
did not. I do it.
Yeah, I can protect you, okay?
No.
You can just tell me who your enemy are.
Try again. I want to go.
Yeah, I can,
Okay.
I can rose you. I can rose you.
Zip line.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
No!
Right. You can't step
Wait,
on the
I'm low-key
body.
scared.
I'll go
I'll go
first.
first. I'll go first. Yeah, you can't step on the bodies.
Wait, I want to go third. Watch it. This is a launch pad.
I know.
I hate that jump. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, go.
Ah!
Did we make it?
Yeah, we did. We gotta go in the vegetable.
No, don't rose.